So Judith, demo is really coming along good at your house, but I noticed that your floors are in really rough shape. And you know, it's never too early to start looking at flooring, and that's why I brought you to this place right here.
Thank you. Wow, thank you.
Yeah, pretty nice, huh?
Hi.
Hi, April.
How are you? Thank you. It's amazing.
So, we have a lot of choices. So what do you have in mind for your flooring?
Something amazing. Just, I mean, this is a great place to start. I mean, light, bright,
Okay.
beautiful.
All right, well, we have two different walls. Let's show this right here. This is actually reclaimed wood. All right, so this flooring was made from old beams or old joists and made into flooring.
Oh, texture.
It's nice texture, and if you notice, there's random widths. So do you like a wide or narrow flooring? You got to think about that.
Okay, great.
Now let's look at this wall right here. This wall is all new wood, and it's designed and been cut just for flooring right from the beginning. All right, now in this climate here, they recommend a floor that is 5 inches or wider to be an engineered flooring.
Okay.
And let me show you what the difference between engineered flooring and solid flooring is.
Okay.
First of all, if we look at the new wood, engineered flooring is a veneer, and the veneer could be whatever species you want. And they put it on plywood, and the plywood gives it more stability.
Makes sense.
Lessens the chance for it to cup or warp or twist. All right, let me show you some of the species they have down here. All right, let's look at this wall right here. The first thing I'm going to show you here is the density or the hardness of the wood. This hard pine is actually softer than this walnut, and this walnut is a little softer than this white oak.
Okay.
All right.
What do you like, Tommy? Pre-finished or unfinished?
Well, I actually like pre-finished, especially on a job site when we're trying to get it done quickly. If you used unfinished flooring, the flooring guys are going to come in and they're going to take over that space for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. No other work can get done. Pre-finished allows them to do work in other rooms and other work can be done.
All right, I have a lot to think about. Thanks so much for the help.
My pleasure.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.